In this lesson, trading using candlestick patterns, the learning objective is you should know how to trade using candlestick patterns. Trading candlestick patterns relies on the application of your knowledge from previous lessons. You should know what the current market condition is before you begin to trade. For example, knowing whether the market is trending or ranging is very important as candlesticks are useless on their own. I would advise that you use candlesticks as a trade trigger when the price is at the right level. The simplest ways to use candlesticks is with support and resistance levels. Support and resistance level determine where buyers and sellers have set up their buy orders or sell orders. So by looking at how candlesticks react to them will help you greatly in predicting where price will head next. If you look closely at this chart, you'll probably recognize a few patterns. Just looking at this chart, the ones that pop out to me is the morning star, because you have the bearish candlestick, almost a doji here, and a very bullish candlestick that crosses the halfway point of the first candlestick. Here you have a very obvious bearish engulfing pattern. I would say that even looking back, this one's not very clear that it was going to bounce. Here you have almost a free inside down pattern. I would advise that you look back at the charts and see how they react to certain levels because it will help you improve when it comes to trading. When it comes to trading candlestick patterns, you should look at the broad perspective of the market. It is dangerous to trade a price action pattern without considering the broad perspective of the market, both from the technical and the fundamental aspects. This is especially important if you are trading the intraday timeframes, because certain patterns like a hammer or a shooting star can often occur when news releases come out, because it forces the price in one direction before coming back down. For your technical analysis, you need to set up to higher time frames to get a broad view of the structure of the market and know where your trade setup falls in the overall market structure. In addition, you should keep an eye on the key economic data releases, as some of them can render your setup useless. In conclusion, having a high level of patience and knowledge of candlestick formations will greatly increase your success when using them.